This is my kitchen.
Okay.
You live here?
Yeah, I work here.
Work here. You live far from this place?
20 minutes.
You won't after work go home?
Yes.
Okay.
So I'm here. I'll leave in the morning.
Okay. Hey, you live here?
Yes.
Where? Work here. What's your name?
Esther.
Esther. Where you go?
We are going to go to work.
Home. I would like to see you today.
Me today?
Yes.
Today? At where?
I live here.
You live here?
Yeah.
And to some media, me know me no story be a echegu and I say in some echegu is see and premu social media so and I say Russia guy be a wawe PM or Ghana has say about tourism like or by say or about beto Ghana not just say what Ghana. Na wahu Ghana ye tourist site na wahu de Ghana yeso ye wo na abrantie ne PM wo Ghana no abrantie ne te within Accra Mall apartment bi wo ho some popular apartment bi wo ho na abrantie ne te wo ye Buronyi Russia ni abrantie na yes abrantie ne ba ya wo ye to no wa to Ghana for ma. In fact, Abrantia Nama Mewra say me ye Ghana ni ba. Abrantia Nama arewa kame. Minister arewa so kan Ghana for ma bebre fi say. In fact, Abrantia the Ghana for ma ni ma ye fom. Na woni dia waye. Wo hia e ma no a na chese wo toto wano. Na oni we di nkomo. Na oni we di nkomo toto wano aya wo je wo number fa wo number mama I like you. You are very beautiful. How old are you? Not just say are you no question no. Was we when ye yenko mi fie na kwhwe baby a mete. Oh my place is not far from here. Na just say a man no e di akire na wo mo kora ne wo de man ko wura dem ho a na ne asa we bi enuma sisu na man no sa na man ni di asa na kire say nya asem ketwa na mmom no after say a man be sabe di asa de be wie no de ebesi akire ni nyina no abranten de akogu ni telegram account cheta what no wajijiska etie dey so optimi bowura abranten ni telegram account na optimi twie sika woje wa post link bi wo ho no optimi twie sika ni wie dia na cheta de ode ye man ni nyina no ubehu e wo ho no medafo ebinie ye hwe bimra.
This is my kitchen.
Okay.
You live here?
Yeah, I work here.
Work here. You live far from this place?
20 minutes.
You won't after work go home?
Yes.
Okay.
So I'm here. I'll leave in the morning.
Okay.
Okay. I'll see you again.
Sorry, can you help me? I can't turn on the microwave.
Just a moment. I'll be
Yes.
Mind coming?
Microwave. No. Are you married?
No.
How old are you? What?
How old do you think I am? I'm 32.
32. Hello, how are you? How old are you? 21. You live here? Are you married? Are you married? I would like to see you in the evening. Can you come to me? My number Russian, please. Write me on WhatsApp.
Я не знаю, что сказать тебе при встрече. Не могу найти хотя бы пару слов. А недолгий вечер, а недолгий вечер скоро станет ночью темною без снов.
Where are you from? Hello.
Oh, I'm from New York, but she's from
New York.
Yeah.
Oh, nice to meet you. You live here?
Yeah, I live here in Ghana.
I need Marina Mall. I want to find boat driver.
Both.
But,
Okay.
but busy.
You want me to order for you? Try Uber too.
Let's go to Marina Mall.
You want to order to Marina Mall?
Yes. Okay, I would like to see you in the evening.
What?
In
Is
the
that your
evening.
wife?
In the evening.
That's your wife.
No, I'm alone.
You want to see me in the evening?
Yes.
Why?
I'd like to know you better. I like how you look. You look great.
Kumba.
Text my number. I have Russian
No.
number.
No.
Why? Are you married?
No, I'm not married, but no.
Hey. You live here?
Yes.
Where? Work here. What's your name? Esther. Where you go?
We are going to look for work.
Home. I would like to see you today.
Me today?
Yes.
Today? At where?
I live here.
You live here?
Yeah. Your name?
Esther.
Esther. How old are you?
I'm 26.
26. Okay, I'm 30. Okay, have a nice day. Вячеслав. Okay, Lad. L-A-D. Lad.
Lad.
Yeah.
Скоро станет ночью темною без снов. А недолгий вечер, а недолгий.
How are you? You look very good.
Thank you.
Are you working here?
No. I came as a customer like yourself. So where do you stay?
I stay here. Come with me
Okay.
now. You live with your parents?
Yes, I live in my...
Этот вечер снова ждет тебя другое. Это он украл любовь у нас с тобой. Не ходи к нему навстречу, не ходи. У него гранитный камень.
Ai. Na kyerɛ sɛ wohyɛ abayɛ yasa wodi na kyerɛ sɛ asa super dede wɔahyia ne destiny helper ɔhyia ne nabrabɔ mu boafoɔ wɔahyia obi a ɔbɛboa na abrabɔ yi mu na kyerɛ sɛ wanya buronyi kɔ buronyi fitaa ɛbɛboa no na ɔde ne kɔ na wonim ade a ama Ghanafoɔ bebree ɛkasa fa ho a mehu ne sɛ Ghanafoɔ mma binom a wɔn di buronyi n'akyi ne wɔn kɔɔyɛ no ɔma Ghanafoɔ mmarima nya Ghanafoɔ mma asanse buronyi ne wɔyɛ stranger buronyi a wonim ne babia timi di n'akyi ɛde ne kɔ ne dan mu ekodi asama no de ebesi wɔ me sɛ ebi kɔ timi kɔ na wasena ba ne next day obi timi di buronyi n'akyi kɔ after that na wasena ba na buronyi na sena video no na wasena ba the next day hwɛ maame.
How are you? You look great. What's your name? Are you married?
So you can what's up?
Yeah. How old are you?
nice lady come no for bibia ye come bia jira so Ghana police Mr. Amonchi abrantie so on call ya mo hwehwe no abaye bia wo ye victim oba bia wo ye victim a wonim se wonim da social media na so wo ye video wonim bronyi nanim wo kona apartment ni ba kona ko report it. Ghana police, Mr. Amonchin, because this one is a disgrace to Ghana, a totally disgrace to Ghanaian women, a totally disgrace to Ghanaian women. A woman, yes, a man, woman, you almost pay, and a call you be Burma nation. Never Burma have any right to video them without their awareness. They don't know, say. Bronin is videoing them. Even if they know, they don't know say the Bronin will post them. So Ghana police, please I beg you, save our Ghanaians women. Save us so Munkwachi Bronin no. Because what to me feel baby ni kurom Ghana. No one may Ghana for Wusa. Ghana police, yes, Sramu. Ladies, you people should go and report. Moko report it. Now Ghana police in Kwachi Grantian because this thing is totally no. This thing is totally no. It's totally no. Hey, me if I blame them, I will never blame them. Me who your ba now would you comment section I say, baby koto. Okra kabaya manabroso. Wa kabaya manabroso. And the peer pressure, etino. Ma who bema bi na oye bronia. You feel like broni de to see ano base ye na relationship ye ya wadimbe kwa breach wadimbe ye say etino you go. Ma baby and judges are married. Don't judge them. Don't judge them. I'm not saying what the ladies, what the women, what they did, no, it's the right thing. It's not the right thing. But Emano, my judge why? But next time, when you might a video, when you might social media, next time don't do that again. Okay? Right now we don't know what the Bruni did to you. We don't know, say, atupajenje so. And it's a woman more pass, who make yes, kanako who atupajenje no, say so, and say who say so. And yes, from next time, you don't have to do that again. Mamunya BM, and BM, say who Kobemano video, put a stop to it. Every day, as a change, say, every day, Shada came when you pay. Then die, be the pay, from her. You be winning na. Madam Midi Yakosi Abuajawa don't call na sana mekono. Yesha and Maya ni video ni be. Natchez a mean for angel quiet. No, I share my for any be share. I like your comment or comment section. But I saw share Macron.
Abusafa Amaka about GQ Travel Hotel, Sabuki, Germany. Global flight from Ghana, China, Dubai. Explore the world with us. Run and fly to Ghana. You better train from Bibia Germany. I brought how that TTB. Now they are for plane. You go to international airport. You go to airport to your destination. And one person go holidays. So if you are going to project to me, maybe I'm making some project to you. So you go to my Divine Space. You go to my GQ Luxury Hills Hotel. I will equip. Maha will make travel also stress free. Travel management, expert in traveling. GQ Travel Hotels. Call us +49 17996 4242 +49 1521 485 2424. Check us on our website gqtravel-hotels.com. GQ, stay connected.